Hypertension or high blood pressure seems to have invaded every home. Everyone above the age of 50 seems to expect a high blood pressure. Not only that, it sometimes affects the modern yuppies, the corporate world, executives at the age of 35 plus also. Popping in a blood pressure pill has become a fashion, and people don't seem to take blood pressure seriously. All of them just say that I'm taking a pill and my blood pressure is under control. Nobody is bothered that they are suppressing the symptoms. They are artificially controlling with a drug. They are not naturally normal. Blood pressure is a silent killer, but so also is an artificially suppressed BP condition. Both are equally harmful for your health and well-being. If you look at the side effects of an artificially controlled BP, you will find that the medicines cause fatigue, weakness, headaches, dryness of the mouth, digestive disorders, and something which is not commonly spoken about, that is erectile dysfunction. Men tend to become impotent and women lose their interest in sexual activities. Sleep also is disturbed. You may get bad dreams, nightmares, and that is not the end of the story. If you artificially control BP, you are predisposing yourself to future heart attacks. So you need medication to prevent heart attacks. You need medication to sleep. You need medication to eliminate extra toxins from your body, extra fluids from your system, etc. Why can't we think of natural solutions? The problems with modern healthcare is that everybody wants to control things, control their symptoms by popping a pill. Nobody wants to think about how they can be naturally healthy, how they can eliminate their problems through natural means. Freedom Eye Clinics is all about natural healthcare. It can manage most conditions by itself, and sometimes it can be combined with other treatments also for a short time. Please remember, whatever is your concern, whatever is your illness, you must include natural therapies to manage your condition over a long period of time. Now, let us understand what is really happening with your BP. Why does your blood pressure tend to rise? I will tell you three important causes which you have never paid attention to. The first is on a physical level, and I call it the lack of stretching. People do not stretch, and over a period of time, they tend to become stiff, they tend to become rigid. Please remember that just going for a walk or playing sports is not stretching, is a scientific phenomena. And yogic stretches will teach you a lot. Please remember to stretch your energy channels, to stretch your fascia, your connective tissue, and seek help from experts to do therapeutic stretching. People do the right form of stretches from their young days do not get high blood pressure. The second most important cause is what is known as a fluid overload. Whatever is your diet, whatever junk food you are eating, the excessive use of the tasty components, the salt, the sauces, etc., they are burdening your kidneys. The kidneys cannot function well. They malfunction. And as a result, there is a very subtle edema that develops within your system. And with this increased volume, your blood vessels are not able to handle it, and that results in a high blood pressure. What to do? Of course, you have to manage your regimen, you have to adapt yourself to a naturally healthy diet. But let me give you a very common remedy which will work wonders. You must drink coriander seed water every morning. Yes, a simple infusion of coriander seeds can work wonders. They can flush out your kidneys, they can flush out the fluid overload and help you maintain a natural blood pressure control. For very specific formulas and prescriptions, you can connect with us. And the third most important cause, that is at the mental and the emotional level. People develop BP are known to hold on to things. They cannot release their emotions. They cannot connect with people. They cannot experience deep love, the deep connection with other humans. And that is missing in our day-to-day life nowadays. Our relationships have become superficial. We seldom connect even to our closest family members. So it is very important to learn about spiritual detox. That's a wonderful therapy. A spiritual detox can help you release your toxic emotions. And not only that, it will help you cultivate a healthy mindset so that you are not mentally or emotionally disturbed. We have applied this threefold formula on many patients. And over a period of time, their dependency on BP medicine has reduced. In fact, when people resort to a natural lifestyle, when they align their mindsets, and if they were earlier on BP medicine, they found that their BP was actually going low. So by default, they had to discontinue the modern BP medicine, and they maintain normal blood pressure. Friends, please remember, natural treatments are also very scientific if administered by a qualified doctor. Nowadays, on an international level, there is an alignment towards natural treatments. In fact, we advise that whatever is your healthcare condition, whatever is your concern, whether it's a common day-to-day problem, whether it is a chronic issue, a psychological issue, a condition of your heart, your brain, or even cancer, you must include natural management as a part of your treatment. Please consider this point very seriously. At Freedom Eye Clinics, it is an integrated approach where we combine natural medicines, energy management, mind management, and naturopathic regimen. It's a holistic attack on your illness, and our mission is to make you healthy, restore your health naturally, permanently, without side effects. Understand your hypertension. It is self-induced problem. Don't just discard it as aging, as hardening of blood vessels, or blame it on cholesterol, etc. It is your mistake. Correct it, because nature is giving you the warning signals. Wake up before it is too late and save yourselves from the toxic effects of the so-called control approach. Thank you.